soya salad. Take some boiled soya chunks in a bowl, add some chopped capsicum, cucumber, tomato, onion, coriander and chaat masala. Squeeze some lemon juice and mix it well. Your high protein soya salad is ready to be served. This recipe is high in protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. It is low in calories, so it helps in weight management. It is a good source of iron, calcium and potassium and also helps in improving bone function. Apple slices with protein spread recipe. This recipe is rich in plant-based protein supporting muscle health and satisfaction. It's rich in fiber. It also supports healthy digestion and bowel function. It gives you a boost of fiber, protein with healthy fats, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It supports for good heart health, digestion and bone health. It has a natural source of sweetness and satisfaction. Sattu drink. It is a nutritious and refreshing beverage which offers several health benefits and it is a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. Sattu drink is very high in protein, replenishes electrolytes in your body, it helps to boost energy, supports digestion. It also helps to lower cholesterol and regulates blood sugar. It is natural and refreshing.